Hoy guys, na iduha ka bukulay sulod sa frutos. Tulog niyo. Tulog ka bukulay sulod sa frutos. Frutos, aman nga kuan kampan. Nakulangon ang price plate, tagduha ra lugar. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here to be myself. Kung bago pa sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. Na 50 ka buok ganti, tawon sa nila kulang. 50 ka buok. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6. Ingon kay kuan ni 50 ka buok. 50 lagi nakabutang diri ay. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 20, 2, 4, 6. Hindi ka magali.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I ang Hilito Bill Magso. Kung bago ko pa ng channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. So for today's video guys, I'll be sharing to you how I prepare my learners reward for my class demonstration or class demonstration teaching for DepEd Ranking 2024. By the way, on this time, I'm done already, no? I just a review or a throwback. This is, I just want to share with you how I prepared this kind of reward. So, sa panahon na ito guys, no, ako ay nagkakaproblema kasi baka hindi magkasya yung gift na ibibigay ko. Then, as a teacher also, since it is my second time to apply on DepEd, I still have to prepare a lot of things. I really have to do my utmost best. So since for me this will be my last time to apply, no, or yeah, this will be my last time na mag-apply. Sana matanggap tayo ng DepEd. And then yeah, on this time na guys, no, kana I still have to really do my best, dude, no. Kasi yan yung pangarap natin pagiging guro sa DepEd, and we really wanted to serve young ones. We really wanted to give back to the community what we have right now.
Nakulangon ang price plate, tagduha ra lugar. Hinaulang sa tanay, tagduha ra lugar mga bata ni bay, kulangon do.
Being a teacher, we're not just sharing knowledge and information, but also sharing foods for the learners. So that's why I'm preparing a short or a small gift for them that comes from my heart. And then good thing also that as I gave this, they are so happy. They really appreciate my efforts on this. And then that's thing that what make a teacher happy, being appreciated also by their learners. And then yeah, this time guys, no, ako ay nangangamba or nangangabo na babahala kasi baka hindi magkasya because I asked the teacher, and then she said, the teacher of the class that I'll be handling my class demonstration. So she said that she has 34 students, and then she divided the class into three, and then the
Hoy guys, ay
first
ka ko sulod sa frutos.
group has been
Frutos.
merged to other section, and then good thing also that all in all the students including the other section is 54 I think, and then I prepared 60 plus on this. Yeah, there's still a kuan may sobra pa, at binigay ko ito sa labas ng classroom kasi may mga bata namang nanonood sa aking class demonstration because I am too confident naman, and then I'm too noisy when it comes to teaching good, no? Narinig kahit sa ibang klase. And then, yeah, I'm so thankful to God for allowing me to experience this kind of opportunity, and thank God also for giving me knowledge, wisdom, and information to on how to answer my TRF, or the teacher reflection form. You know what, guys? On that day, I was able to answer those 5 questions in easiest way, and then I will just give you on how to answer it. I'll give you a tip, not the answer, no? And then yeah, I'll be sharing to you. I'll be happy to share my tips on how to answer the TRF, and then I know that you will learn coming from those tips, good. It's very useful, you'd swear. On over 25, I think I got 23.98, something like that, because in the first place I got 24 point something, but there's a changes because instead of 5 items, the item number 4 and number 5, they merge it into one question, also with the points. That's why there is a changes on my points. It became 23.98 something like that, or I'm not sure, basta napakaganda ng aking points sa TRF, guys. It's almost perfect, goods na yun, and then it's a blessing yun coming from God. I will be sharing that on how to answer it, so please be with that video, next video I think. Maybe this time I still have to stay put and find another ways on how to put add-ons on this, so I have to go to the market again and buy another candy or pack of candy. So
Hi guys, so I just got here. I bought another set. So, God. I just bought another set of foods.
So guys, I have to make it fast so that you'll not get bored. So thank you so much for all the sponsors, Labs Isel and teacher Rafaela Rafal from Cabanglasan, my best friends way back in college. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. So here it is. So these are the gifts, a small gift coming from my heart and from the heart of my sponsors. And then here is my ID, and then these are the other gifts, no? And then I will show you also my instructional materials. I'm using, by the way, the application YouTube and TikTok. Yeah, in that video, and then I'm not yet done on it. So I still have to do the okay, alright, so here it is. I'm then putting the YouTube thing. My topic, by the way, is soil erosion or effects of soil erosion in landforms and living things. So I still have the laptop. Thank you so much for my cousin on it, Stephen Balabat. And then yeah, I'm using traditional Lilralia and the 21st century IMs which is the PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, here is it. Hope you will get some ideas coming from mine also. And then try to have a look in it.